Good morning, students. Today we will start with the calculation of mode. We have already done the inspection method, the grouping method. Today we will continue when we are given the data with the inclusive series. What is inclusive series? That means the lower limit and the upper limit of the next class, they are not the same. That means that the series is not in the continuation form. For example, it is 10 to 19, then there is a difference 20 to 29. So the values in the extremes, they are not the same. This is the inclusive series. So first step is we will convert the series into exclusive series. How can we convert? We will pick up the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class, and we will find out the difference between them. For example, it's 20 minus 19. So difference is 1. We will divide it by 2. We will get 0.5. So we will subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So we will get the data by converting it into the exclusive series as, when we subtract 0.5 from 10, we get 9.5, and when we add 0.5 to 19.5, we get 19.5. In this way, after conversion of data into exclusive series, next we are given the frequency. After this, the same steps will be followed. From the frequency, through the inspection method, we will find out the maximum frequency, that is 30. So 30 comes out, this class comes out to be the model class, that is model class comes out to 39.5 to 49.5. So this is a model class interval. After this, we will use the formula which we were using to calculate mode, that is mode is equal to L1, that is lower limit, plus frequency of the same class of the model class minus frequency of the preceding class divide by 2 F1, that is frequency of the same class, minus F0, frequency of the preceding class, minus F2, frequency of the succeeding class or the next class, multiply by I, that is the class size. So over here, the value for F1 is 30, F0 is 18, and F2 is 16. After substituting the value in the formula, we are able to get the value of mode. So this was in case of inclusive series. Next is when the mid values are given. How to calculate mode when mid values are given? So in this series, in this data, we are given the mid values. These are the mid values which are given to us, and the frequency is given to us. So in this question, the first step is we will convert the data into the exclusive series, that is with class interval. How can we convert? If the mid value is 15, that means the series could be, by estimation, we can come to know that the series is 10 to 20. For 25, we can say 20 to 30. For 35, it can be 30 to 40. And similarly, we can write the class interval. After this, the rest of the steps will remain the same. That is, we will find out the highest frequency, that is 28. So the model class interval will be 50 to 60. So we will be using the same formula, this one, to calculate the value of mode in this case. So the only thing was, in this case was, we have to convert the mid values into the class interval.